Okay, this part up here is where they had the guns stationed and all the ammunition and everything. I think the actual barracks were off to the side over here someplace. There's another part to this park, but this here's all a great big concrete reinforced area where they had their big guns, and we'll go up and take a look at the big gun turret areas here in just a minute. But before we do, let's go ahead and do a couple of stretches, do a couple of poses. Let's go ahead and turn that left foot out, keep the right one straight, keep both of your legs straight. Let's bring our hands above our head, and let's go ahead and fold over that foot and try and get down to your toes. Stretch. This is really good for the lower back. It's a little bit of a twist and a lot of stretch coming all the way down this side. Let's go ahead and bring it back up. Rotate your feet, and let's go ahead and fold over that foot. Coming down here, this one must have been some sort of a officer's strategic planning deal. It has a fireplace in it to have kept things warm. Let's go ahead and just kind of lower ourselves down and warm up by the fire. Come on up, fold forward. And let's go to the next section. Just go ahead and shine down This is a hallway that runs the whole length. Let's go ahead and just stretch as much as we can and take up as much of it as we possibly can. Just stretch through the legs, through the arms. Then go ahead and fold forward and bring your arms down the outside of your legs and lean forward as far as you can again. Up. Okay, down to our right ankle. Stretch. These are really cool arches. This is a really cool place. Come on up. Come on down to the left side. Let's go ahead and come on up the stairs. Now this place is a mirror image on both sides. So if we get one side, we've basically got the other. Let's go ahead and bring our arm out in front and bring the other arm. There we go. Let's cross one arm over the front, bring the other arm out, and stretch out our shoulders. So let's drop that arm down, bring the other one on across. Okay, up here is where the guns would be. They would have brought the ammunition up from the bottom in those magazines that they had down below, and they would have brought them out here to where the guns are. Let's go ahead and sit on the ground. Let's bring our hands above our head, and And let's fold forward. Again, do as much as you can. Don't hurt yourself. Okay. Now, Linda was highly interested in seeing me walk on my hands. So, I guess this is as good a place to walk on my hands as any place. Ouch! 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 Okay, got that over with. Let's move on. This is a really cool staircase. It's really echoey in there. Let's go ahead and show the staircase, and then we'll do a couple of lunges. Let's go ahead and bring that left leg forward, bring the right leg back. Keep this leg over the top of your ankle and stretch. Try to keep that back leg as straight up and folded up as possible. And remember to breathe. Okay. Swap legs. Okay. Let's go ahead and come on around here. I think this area is where they brought the shells up. They have a hook that they probably had a chain hoist on or some sort of hoist. And this goes down into one of the magazines down in the bottom. And above here is where the lookout would have been, looking out towards the ocean. And like I said, this is mirror imaged coming over to this side. Let's go ahead and go on up to the lookout. But before we do, let's bring our feet together as much as possible. Stretch out our legs by bringing them down as much as possible. And then let's fold forward and stretch out your back and your legs at the same time. Okay. Now that we're stretched out, let's take a walk up the stairs. Because this area looked out over the ocean, I'm sure that they did not have the trees out here the way that they are now. And this, I'm sure, was a lookout looking out into the ocean for enemy ships. As long as we're here, let's go ahead and sit down. Take the right hand to the left knee, left hand behind. Let's do a couple of twists. And go ahead and go to the right side. Left hand back. Okay, let's go up to the next level. Let's go ahead and bring that right knee in. Come on up and fold over that left leg. Stretch and breathe. And then fold over the right knee. Again, some people like it like this. I like pulling with a little bit more pressure. Let's go ahead and take that right leg out, left leg in. Come on up and stretch. And then fold on over that left leg. Up.